Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction of the Unico Hotel in Montego Bay. It's actually being constructed in Lilliput. This hotel is one of three massive developments to be done out here. The first is the 452 or 53 room Unico Hotel, which is a luxury hotel. And all the buildings that are going up here are part of the Unico Hotel. Then they are going to be building the Hardrock Hotel and Casino, which is going to be a 1,000 room hotel. And it's going to be even bigger. The development is going to be bigger than this one. And then they are going to build a Ritz-Carlton out here as well. The same company owns all three brands. So they are putting up all three out here. And Jamaica is a major spot for tourism in the Caribbean. Only the Dominican Republic probably has more hotel rooms. Well, they do have more hotel rooms than Jamaica. But Jamaica is quickly closing that gap with 50,000 rooms, some of which have come online already, and the balance to come online within the next few years. Now, as you can see, this is a massive development and it is moving at lightning speed. I am so impressed with how fast this building is going up. And these are some tall structures. Not even the Pinnacle in Montego Bay is moving as fast as this one. And the Pinnacle is moving. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Before we go, we are going to set up a playlist for the construction of this hotel. We'll also do one for the Pinnacle and all the major construction or developments going on. But this one in particular, because I want you guys to see how fast these buildings are going up. So with the playlist, you can see the other videos all in one place. Alright guys, enjoy the tour and leave your comments in the section below. And the contractor for this development is not China Harbour Engineering Company. It's a Dominican firm. A contractor is out of Dominica, or the Dominican Republic. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.